Alright guys, here we go. Another video. Posting something new, some upgrades on the truck. Still looking clean as ever. Did some letterings on the tires. She's a little dirty right now, but it's Florida weather, man. What can I say? Same wheels. And no, I'm not running no wheel spacers on them. Still looking as clean as always. Got a few stickers on it. That's about it. But this is going to be another muffler video. Now you can see as Black Widow exhaust. Just one single. Show you the setup. Black Widow neighbor hater. One straight pipe off the Y pipe, all stock from the Y pipe up, I meant to say. Sounds pretty good. Set this camera up and give you guys a look. Sorry for the sun. Like I said, Florida weather. Give you a few revs and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, that was a few revs there. The first two were at 3,000 RPMs. The last two were 1,500, 2,000 RPMs. Just one single muffler. Sounds real nice. Black Widow really knows how to make a truck, car sound pretty good, man. Got me from Flowmasters to Black Widow exhaust. There goes the sticker. Truck sounds good, man. Anybody looking to fix their classic or old F150s, make them sound a little nicer, it's the best way to go, man. Said not too much things done to it, just the wheels, the exhaust, steel tuned, the bully dog tuner. So y'all can see it's all connected, set up right. Accelerated a little to see. Give you a few revs of what it sounds like inside. not too loud, not too much drone on it when you're driving on the highway neither, but it's a good exhaust. But hey, leave some comments, let me know what you'd like to see me do on the truck, and like I said, we'll continue to try to make these videos and put them out, put some good content out. But appreciate you guys watching my last video. Like I said, this is all done for my girls that want me to put these videos up. But like I said, it's still the cleanest F-150 I've seen out here, man. Give you another walk around before we end this video. Everything's blacked out except for the headlights and tail lights. I like to do them eventually, but right now it's just not something I want to do. I think it looks real clean the way it is now. Another walkthrough on it. Change the back window too. That's another thing I've done on it. The past video I had the split window. I decided to go with the solid window. It looks a little cleaner to me. But there you go, guys. Thanks for watching my video. And like I said, comment, subscribe, like. The likes are a plus, so help me out with this little channel thing going on. And like I said, you guys will get more content. Maybe I'll get the GoPro on it, take a cruise to show you what it sounds like. But there you go, guys. Again, your boy signing out. El Chucky and the black F-150.